Welcome, I'm using Alcatel U5 HD, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's obviously open up settings. From here, I'm gonna scroll all the way down to backup and reset. Select factory data reset. It will give you a message that performing this will remove things like your Google account, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. And in other words, it basically removes everything that you have put on the device yourself, and the only thing that will stay is all the pre-installed applications. So if you want to keep anything, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on reset phone, erase everything, and the process will now begin. Now this might take a couple minutes, so just be patient, but once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.